Hi everyone, this is going to be a really short video. We're just going to talk real quick about alphabetizing substituents. There's just a couple things that I really want to highlight for you. So remember, in a name, substituents need to be named in alphabetical order. If you look at the top of your screen, we have bromo named before chloro because B is alphabetized before C. So the first name substituent is the first alphabetical substituent, and this means that the last name substituent would be the last alphabetized substituent. Now, with certain substituents, you have like isopropyl, isobutyl, sec-butyl, tert-butyl. You might say dimethyl, trifluoro, right? And it's important to be able to distinguish which prefixes, right? Di, tri, tet, sec, tert, butyl, those things, which are not considered in alphabetizing and which ones are considered when you're alphabetizing substituents. So first of all, let's accentuate here which ones are not considered for alphabetization, okay? Those would be your prefixes di, tri, tetra, sec, tert, or even penta, right? These ones are not considered in the alphabetization of a name, okay? However, prefixes that are, and I think this is kind of arbitrary, I'm not entirely sure, but this is the case in the IUPAC system. The prefixes that are considered in the alphabetization of a substituent when you're naming a compound are cyclo, iso, and neo. Okay? So this is really important because if you looked at, say, a cyclohexane ring, and you had a neopentyl group, and you had, say, a bromo, and you had something like an isopropyl group, we'd say we have a bromo, which is B, isopropyl, which is I, right? And then we have neopentyl, which is an N. And the neopentyl, pictured here, neopentyl substituent, is alphabetized with the N. That is considered. The isopropyl group, it's not the P that is considered for alphabetization, it is the I that is considered for alphabetization. But if we scroll up here a little bit, we see this compound here with two bromines, and it is the case that the alphabetization is given to the B, not the D of the dibromo part, okay? Again, it is the case that di, tri, tetra, sec, tert, and even penta are not considered for alphabetization, so you look for the letter that comes after those prefixes. But again, the prefixes cyclo, iso, and neo are considered for the alphabetization of a substituent.